Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to put your bike on a Tacx trainer. First, make sure your trainer is placed on a firm, flat surface to ensure stability during your ride. You'll also want to have any specific adapters ready, such as a quick-release skewer or a through-axle adapter, depending on your bike's setup. A quick clean of your bike's chain and gears is also a good idea, and inflate your tires to about 100 psi for the best experience. Now, let's get your bike mounted. If you have a direct drive trainer, you'll need to remove your bike's rear wheel first. For wheel-on trainers, simply open the quick-release lever on the trainer itself. Carefully position your bike so that its rear axle aligns perfectly with the trainer's attachment points. Then, gently lower your bike into place, making sure the chain is correctly engaged with the cassette if you're using a direct drive model. With your bike in place, it's time to secure it. Close the quick-release lever or tighten the through-axle adapter firmly to ensure your bike is locked into the trainer. If you're using a wheel-on trainer, adjust the resistance unit until it presses against your tire with about 2 to 3 millimeters of indentation. Check that your bike is level and stable, adjusting the trainer's feet if needed. A quick wiggle test confirms everything is secure. Before you start your workout, let's do some final checks. Give the pedals a quick spin to confirm that your gears shift smoothly and there's no rubbing. Listen for any unusual noises from the tire or drivetrain. Finally, connect your Tacx trainer to your preferred cycling app, like Zwift or Garmin Connect, if you plan to use them. With everything checked, you're all set to enjoy a fantastic indoor cycling session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.